Hello, everyone, and welcome to the South Euclid Fire Safety Google Classroom. As you can see, we have our screen set up here. We have our firefighter. We have a picture of our firefighters, and we have Sparky the fire dog and a fire truck. We also have a Dalmatian here. In order to watch and to interact with the South Euclid Google Classroom, you will need to put this in the present mode. Once it is in the present mode, you will be able to navigate through the page by clicking on each photo, and it will take you to a new link or an activity. NFPA also has the Fire Prevention Week poster here that you can click on, and it'll take you to their website where they have a lot of cool videos and interactive pages to work with. So everyone have fun and enjoy your time in the South Euclid Fire Safety Classroom.